Okay, day 1 and we have started the trek. So village से we couldn't make the video. We were a little occupied and we are here. कहाँ पे हम लोग?
We are on our way to Yoling campsite for tonight. So I think we showed it in our last video. This is where we stayed last time we came.
Yes.
But this time the valley has become more pretty because of all the blooms. So our group is also there. They're going ahead. Yes. We'll show you flowers.
And flowers.
These are the beautiful flowers in this valley. Different colored flowers. There you go. There. Look at such beautiful flowers.
How are you feeling? Tired?
Not really, but a bit sleepy.
AMS तो नहीं है?
I don't think so. I'm hungry, so.
Yeah. These are our tents. और हम आ गए यहाँ पे 2:30. So आज हमारा यहाँ पे हॉट लंच है. तो कल से विल हैव पैक लंच. ये हमारी कैंप साइट है. Day 2. We have started our hike to Zardong.
Hello.
Hello. So off to Zardong.
How are you feeling?
Good. How are you feeling?
I'm okay.
Okay.
It's going to be a long hike today.
12 kilometers
12
आज का.
kilometers.
And
Time क्या है अभी?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
So we are late. हमें 8 बजे निकलना था बट हो जाता है ट्रैकिंग में. And आज का हाइट गेन ज़्यादा नहीं है बट डिस्टेंस इज 12.
long.
And
I think we should reach by
4
o'clock.
Yes. वेदर ठीक है.
Good only, no? We reach a little late. वरना कैंप साइट में लोग बोर हो जाते हैं.
Exactly.
Then they try to sleep.
Yeah.
Acclimatization का टाइम नहीं मिलता है.
And वेदर ठीक है हमारे लिए. So
और वैली भी बहुत सुंदर है. नहीं?
बहुत सिमिलर टू कश्मीर थोड़ा थोड़ा. वैसे ओपन मेडो
और वाइड वैलीज है.
वाइड है एकदम.
We saw a lot of mushrooms yesterday. The puffer mushrooms. पता नहीं क्या क्या देखा हमने.
And
to go identify.
शेफर्ड्स मिले. शेफर्ड्स यहीं आसपास ही डेरे इनके. तो कल रात सोने नहीं दिया इनके डॉग्स ने. तो आप ट्रैक पे आ रहे हैं और आपके आसपास में कहीं पे भी कैंप के शेफर्ड्स का डेरा है और तो तैयार रहना. उनके कुत्ते आपको सोने नहीं देंगे रात भर भौंक भौंक के. बीच बीच में बकरियां अच्छे अच्छे से गाने गाती हैं मैं करके. तो वो एक मेलोडी है. अगर आप सो सकते हैं तो सो जाओ, नहीं तो खा लो.
Campsite called Zardong. So this is what the campsite looks like. Very, very beautiful. And that is the Mayad Nala flowing there. Nala means river. And if you see those 3 peaks there, that's Tarang 1, 2 and 3. Yes, we've hiked for 10 kilometers today. Beautiful day. Weather is very good. Very hot, I mean. But we had a lot of fun today. Tomorrow we go ahead in the same valley to Pulpa, and from there we go to the 5 lakes and then come back for lunch to Pulpa, and then we all go all the way back in the same valley like this.
And उसके बाद we'll go further ahead to Kesari Ancho, the small ponds or lake, what do you call, वो देखेंगे. And here's the group walking. Make nice find today. The meadow. Hello, lady.
What's up?
Palpu.
Let's go to Pulpa.
How was the last night?
Last night was, it wasn't cold.
Yeah.
It was raining, so our tent was leaking.
But आज again
We had an adventurous night.
good weather today. चलो फिर let's see. Kesari Ancho.
First lake of Kesari Yoncha. So Yoncha is the 7 bowls of offerings that they make to Lord Buddha. So this is the first lake. I think only 5 lakes are visible out of 7. So this is the first one. Gaurav! Boys! Say hi! Gaurav, say hi! Kesari Yoncha, the lakes that we went to see. So this is the campsite called Palpu. We're going to stay here tonight and then tomorrow head back towards Kanjar.
And we crossed at least 8 times. Hi.
Good morning. We are at the campsite called Gompa. Gompa means monastery. I think it's called because there's a cave up there and there's a Baba who sits there and meditates. That's why I think this is called Gompa. Today is, from here we're going to Doksa, that's the last campsite. And then tomorrow we are going to Kanjar and from there to Manali.
Doksa campsite today, last campsite. And you see हम यही वैली से नीचे जाते हैं and taking the same route back. बस लास्ट के 2 दिन में campsite change हो जाती है. So here we are, and all these days weather was good as you have seen. अभी कल से थोड़ा बारिश हो रही है and valley is covered with clouds.
Everybody, so we are at our last campsite, Doksa. So Doksa is at 12,000, no, it's at 11,600, 700 feet. So this is what the campsite looks like. So we were supposed to stay at Tarang tonight, but then we decided that we come a little ahead of Tarang because Tarang was just 7 kilometers from Gompa, our previous campsite, and also it was raining, so we just walked till we reached Doksa. It's a beautiful campsite. Last night on the trek, are you excited to go back?
Yeah, so it's been really good, and बारिश नहीं हुई luckily. अभी हमें कल ही मिली थोड़ी और आज मिली, but overall weather gods were very kind to us.
Mayad Valley trek is beautiful. I mean, it's beyond beautiful. I think beautiful doesn't justify what we saw. Valley के बहुत अंदर है. We saw beautiful flowers. We saw hundreds of streams. We experienced a lot of things on this trek. Our trekkers also had a lot of fun. It was a much deserved break for them from their usual corporate life. So we're so happy that this group treks with us every year. So thankful to them that they choose us over everyone else. And yes, we had an amazing time with them.
और so please join us for Mayad Valley. It's beautiful and ऐसे vast meadows I think हमने नहीं देखे, मतलब देखे हैं,
देखा है.
but this is
I think this trek is a mixture of so many
Yeah.
treks like Hamta Pass, Tarsar Marsar. You said
yes,
it's
Kashmir
like
Great Lakes. Yeah.
So बहुत कुछ देखा हमने इसमें. बहुत nostalgia भी हुआ पुराने treks का. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I think the USP of this trek is the drive from Tandi till Khanjar village. So
Yeah.
Khanjar is the last village in Lahaul Valley. So drive भी बहुत सुंदर है. I mean, we also saw it for the first time when we came here in May. So if you want to see something out of ordinary, something out other than Hamta Pass or Kuari Pass or anything, then Mayad Valley it is. बहुत सुंदर है.
Yes.
लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. हमारा टीम भी बहुत अच्छा था. We had a
और
lot of fun.
एक टीम मेंबर ये भी है हमारे साथ, कालू. Last day, getting down to Khanjar village, and यहाँ से we'll travel in a jeep, and after that we'll travel in a